Good morning and welcome to our daily devotion. So our devotion is about restoring. It says, I will restore you to health and heal your wounds. I am with you, within you, and all around you, continually at work in your life. When your awareness of me grows dim, my presence continues to shine brightly upon you. The light has immense healing power, so dare to ask great things of me, remembering who I am. I am able to do exceedingly abundantly above all you ask or think. Pondering my limitless ability to help you will strengthen your faith and encourage you to pray boldly. Praying in my name with perseverance can accomplish great things. Learn from the parable of the persistent widow who refused to give up. She kept bringing her petition to a judge who neither feared God nor cared about men. Eventually, her persistence wore him down, and he gave her what she sought. How much more will I respond to my children who cry out to me day and night? Though you may have to wait a long time, do not give up, for everyone who asks and keeps on asking receives. He who seeks and keeps on seeking finds. God is always with us, and He is always the most infinite. He's the one that has the power, and He can do anything. And yet, everything is done in God's time. Like I said, it may take a while, but He wants us to keep asking and keep seeking, and He will give us what we ask for. Today, our devotion comes from Jeremiah 30:17. But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord, because you were called an outcast, Zion, from whom no one cares. And Ephesians 3:20, now to Him who is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that works in us. And Luke 18:2-7, He said, in a certain town there was a judge who neither feared God nor cared about men. And will not God bring about justice for His chosen ones who cry out to Him day and night? And then Luke 11:10. For everyone who asks and keeps on asking receives, and he who seeks and keeps on seeking finds, and to him who knocks and keeps on knocking the door shall be open. We just need to remember to keep knocking, keep asking, to keep seeking, because God's there. He never leaves us. He loves us. He wants to provide for us. He wants to heal our wounds. Thank you, my friends. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. We're having really wacky weather. It rained and snowed all weekend long, off and on, off and on. Now I think we're on a period of maybe more misty rain. 7:30 this morning it was snowing so hard you couldn't even see, but it wasn't sticking. So I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day wherever you are, and I'll be back at 10:30 for Monday Morning Coffee. God bless. Bye-bye.